So what's up, guys? You know, it's been really a long time since I posted a video, or yeah, I posted a video or something. But then today I have some holiday offs that I'm enjoying from now. So I'm going to the car shop now to have the some of the things fixed whilst the car is there. I think it is handy that I do it there. So today I'm going to work on the brake, the rear brakes. I'm going to work on them today, and then let's see how it goes. So no, let's grab our tools. Let's grab our tools and then let's grab our tools. Then let's go and see to it and see how best we can finish that work up and then move on from there. I hope today I cover a lot. So let's go to the car shop. So guys, we are at the shop now. You can see there are some other works going on, so there'll be a lot of noise. But this is our car, so let's unwrap our car and then let's see. So let's unwrap our car. So as you can see, we are finished unwrapping the car. Let's take a tour around it. Okay, now let's drag the car up and then start removing whatever we need to remove and then fix it up. Now I'm going to work on one of these parts here. So this is the other side of it. I need to also check my this thing, what do you call it? My brake pads to see if they are still in good shape. So we will work on that. But now that we've been able to remove this side, let's put a supporter under this one. Then let's see the other side. Let's remove the other side and then see where the problem is, where we need to fix. Then we work on it ASAP. So let's get to the other side and then try to move it up and then see where we have to work on. So as you can see, this side is moved. Let's put some supporter under it, then let's go to the other side. As you can see, I found a spot, but then this thing needs to be cleaned first before inspecting it. So
Let's brush it up, clean the dust off it, and then insert it up. finally we've been able to fix the headlights. So all the headlights are looking good, even though we still have some cracks here, so we definitely have to replace this one. But now all the headlights is fixed nicely. We need to replace these two headlights, but it's looking good. Everything is fixed, all power in now. So as you can see now, our gasket is also looking fresh, new, because it has been fixed and been worked on. So now the only thing we need to fix is this part of the wiring. With this one, it has already been prepped, so this one will be prepped, but I need to remove the, what do you call it, the bonnet, so that I can have access to this area and work on this, because we have some few major setbacks here. Because you can look at this wire, it's totally destroyed, so we need to replace it so that we don't catch on fire. So we keep working, then try and have this thing fixed once and for all and fire it up.